The budget smartphone game just changed. Again. Meet the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, a phone that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a feature-packed, future-ready device. Samsung has taken what was already great about its A-series lineup and turned the dial up, way up. Let's start with the design. The A17 5G might be affordable, but it sure doesn't look it. With its smooth matte finish, slim profile, and refined camera housing, this phone feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. It comes in three eye-catching colors: midnight graphite, ocean blue, and soft lavender. And the curved edges make it comfortable to hold even during long sessions. Now when it comes to the display, Samsung delivers as always. You're getting a 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Yes, 120 Hz on a budget phone. Whether you're scrolling through Instagram, watching Netflix, or just browsing the web, everything feels ultra smooth and vibrant. The colors pop, blacks are deep, and outdoor visibility is excellent thanks to the improved peak brightness. Under the hood, the Galaxy A17 5G is powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor. Paired with either 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, this phone is more than capable of handling day-to-day tasks, multitasking, and even some light gaming. And with 5G connectivity on board, you're future-proofed for ultra-fast downloads, smooth streaming, and lag-free online gameplay. Now let's talk cameras, because Samsung has clearly invested in this department. The A17 5G features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The results? Sharp, detailed photos with excellent dynamic range, even in less than ideal lighting. Portrait mode works well, the ultra-wide lens adds versatility, and the night mode has been improved for clearer low-light shots. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera housed in a tiny notch, which delivers clean, well-balanced shots with natural skin tones and decent background separation for portrait selfies. It also supports 1080p video recording, perfect for vlogs or quick content creation. Battery life? Absolutely solid. The A17 5G comes with a 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts all day, even with heavy usage. And thanks to 25-watt fast charging, you're back up and running in no time. It's the kind of phone you can rely on throughout your busy day, from morning emails to late-night YouTube binges. Software-wise, you're getting One UI 7 based on Android 14. It's clean, customizable, and packed with useful features like Samsung Knox, Secure Folder, and the new Smart Hub integration that ties into your Galaxy ecosystem. Samsung has also promised at least 2 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches, which is rare in this price range. Other highlights? You still get a headphone jack. Yes, it's still here. And a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that's fast and accurate. There's also expandable storage via microSD and dual SIM support for those who travel or want to separate work and personal use. To sum it up, the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A17 5G isn't just another budget phone. It's a well-rounded, future-ready device that brings flagship-level features down to an affordable level. Samsung is proving once again that you don't have to compromise on display, performance, or camera quality when shopping on a budget. If you're looking for the best 5G phone under budget in 2025, the Galaxy A17 5G is one of the top contenders. For students, content lovers, or anyone who wants a reliable daily driver without breaking the bank, this is the one to watch. This is Mobile Logic, bringing you the latest in smart tech. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this.